Here we are outside.
It's a little chilly,
It's nippy.
but we actually made some amazing breadsticks.
Yeah, that has nothing to do with being outside, but we just wanted we wanted a different view.
Yeah. These are
The breadsticks are great because there's no wheat. They're totally low carb, sugar free, everything free. We've had these dipped in hummus. They're awesome.
yeah.
And a warm marinara sauce. Oh, because I season these with Italian herbs.
For you bread lovers,
Amazing.
you have
breadsticks.
to try this. This is amazing. I mean, it's literally like bread.
It's literally like
But
bread,
there's no bread in it.
which is why they're called breadsticks. Let's make them.
Okay. Okay, so to get the recipe,
Click the link below. Hey, Charlie. Click the link below. Below.
check it out.